Welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to gain access to your Google Classroom if you cannot find your classes automatically. So did you sign on to the Google Classroom app? You downloaded the app but you pressed in it and you can't see your classes. What do? I'm gonna teach you. The first thing we're going to do is show you an example. So I've clicked in my app and I can't see my classes. The first thing I'm going to do is to check if I'm signed in the right account. I'm going to click on the circle and I'm going to make sure I'm signed into the right account. If I didn't sign into my school account, I'm just going to add another account and enter my email and password. Now that I'm signed into the right account, I still can't see my classes. I have signed into my account, my school account, so I'm sure I didn't do anything wrong. I still can't see my classes. It seems I wasn't invited. Don't worry, don't fret, I'm sure you were invited. What you need to do is just exit the Google Classroom app, go to your browser and search for google.com. Once you are at google.com, you want to ensure that you are signed in the right account once more. You're going to click on the circle at the top right-hand corner to ensure you're signed into the right account. If you're not signed into the right account, click on your account to sign in. From there, you're going to click on the 9 dots. When you click on the 9 dots, you'll see some apps. These apps are there. They're not just props. They're here for your pleasure and for helping you. Click on Gmail. This will take you to your account. So it's going to take you to your inbox where you can find all your messages from your school. When you get here, you have to make sure you are signed in the right account once more. If you are using your parents' phone or you have another account, you might be signed into that account. Click on the 3 lines to your left. Click on the name that is at the top, an email address. When you click on that email address, it should show you the Google accounts that you have. Click on your school account and that will open your school email. From here, you're going to search for the message. To find the first message you got in your email, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. The first message will be at the bottom. You will see your school's name and class invitation. Once you click on that message, you will see your name and a button that says join. Click on join and it will take you back to your Google Classroom app. You will be signed into your classes. That is your homeroom class. If you don't see your other classes pop up on the screen, it means you have to accept the invitation from your email. Some classes will come on your screen automatically, while other classes you will have to go and accept them manually. What do I mean by manually? I mean you have to go back in your email and search through your email until you find the invitation to the class. Once you find the invitation, click on that invitation and press join. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So don't worry, don't fret, instead join me. Follow these steps and you won't
Very soon
regret.
you'll enter your classroom.
Thank you guys for staying to the end of this lesson. If you like what you heard, leave a thumbs up. You can subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, or if you have a suggestion, leave it in the comments below.